back to my channel. I'm Deni, and today I have a SampleSource.com box. So today I'm going to be unboxing my SampleSource.com, and this right here is supposed to be like a try before you buy type thing. They allow you to sign up to pick out some samples, and then you can try them, and they mostly send you coupons so that you can purchase the items at a discounted price later on in the future. So I already pre-cut and opened it, but I can't remember what they were sending me, so we are going to see. The first thing that I pulled out is this guy right here. Is from Nature's Path Organic, and this is the Heritage Flakes. It's cereal, and this is made with oats, spelt, barley, milled, and quinoa. And this right here is just like a sample size of that cereal for me to try. And then it also has a coupon right here for $1 off if I want to purchase this full size. Now, I've never had this cereal. I want to go ahead and try it. This right here says it has 5 grams of fiber and 4 grams of protein. I'm just going to cut it just a little bit so that I can get into it. And I mean, it smells like regular like flake cereal, like Raisin Bran. It's like hard. It tastes like normal cornflakes, just a little bit more hearty. Not bad. It's something that I would definitely eat. They feel like they need sugar because obviously they're supposed to be a little bit healthier. Let's see. It has 4 grams of sugar in here, which is not much, but yeah, not bad. I will eat these later on with some milk. So the next thing in here is from Persil. This is detergent pods. This one is for energy efficient machines, and it comes with, feels like there's more than one in here. So these are just pods that you put inside the laundry, and I want to know if there's more than one in here. Oh, it's just one. It's just really big. So I mean, I can't test this out because obviously I don't have my washer machine up here, but this right here is what that pod looks like. And you know, with these guys, you have to keep them away from children and adults that think they're children who would want to eat them because people are crazy on the internet. So this right here is just one in here that I can test out and see if it's something that I like. Not bad. So then I also have a $2 off coupon for that Persil brand so that I can buy my own detergent pods. And the last thing that I have in here is some Welch's fruit yogurt snacks. So this is something that I can try right now. I'm kind of shocked because usually they have a lot more samples for you to try, but 3, that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and open these. I've had the Welch's snacks, but I've never had the fruit and yogurt. And these are low fat, gluten free, and they have vitamin C, vitamin A and D, and calcium in them. This pack is 80 calories and there's 14 sugars in here. Good Lord, that's a lot of sugar for one pack of snacks. I don't know how good that would be for your children, but let's go ahead and open this right here. And it looks like this. I think they're, yeah, they all look the same in here. So this is what it looks like. They taste like a fruit snack that was dipped in yogurt, and they do taste really tasty, and they're strawberry flavored. But as you can see, if I squeeze it, this is, you know, it is a fruit snack that's just dipped in yogurt. They taste good. but I don't know how great of a snack this would be for people who are, you know, trying to watch their sugar intake, because it is a lot of sugar. So if you want to go ahead and get your own SampleSource box, you can just sign up with SampleSource.com. It's absolutely free, and they will email you when these are available, and they allow you to choose what products they have, and it's a first come first serve basis. So the earlier you get there, the more samples you can get and test out. And then they just ask you to do a short review on them online, where you just put your little review in, and that is it. And then every so often, I think it's like twice a year, they do tell us, hey, we have SampleSource boxes, let us know if you want one. And you can only get one per household, so yeah, that is how that works. If you like this video and you thought it was informative, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Ring my notification bell so that you're aware of when I'm posting new videos. Become a member of my Gonz fam, and as always, from my house to yours. Love ya.